Practical Peekaboo Application Series, Session 1 of 12, 500 reps to the basic understanding of the footwork. Hello, Earthlings. Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here. We're going to get right into it. So to get into the Peekaboo stance, if you're southpaw, right foot first, left foot back. If you're conventional like me, most people are going to be left foot first, right foot back. It's going to be square just like you're facing right now. And you're going to have that right foot take about 2 steps back, front foot about 35-degree angle. You're going to keep that toe pointed up, stay nice line of your toes, slightly bend those knees. Bring your hands up, tuck your chin in, and make sure your hands are right below your eye, elbows nice and pinned on the rib cage, but still loose and relaxed. And your eyes are staying on your opponent's imaginary collarbone that's in front of you. All right, now from here, we're going to be doing 100 reps side to side. So to move to the left, we're going to push off that back foot while taking a step with your left foot while maintaining this shoulder width stance. All right, and to move to the right, we're going to push off that front foot while taking a step with your right foot. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, super important, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Everything in the Peekaboo comes a lot from the footwork. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, now we're going to increase the pace by still trying to maintain that shoulder width stance and start leaping off of your toes as you're moving side to side. All right, try to maintain that flow. Let's go. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Tuck that chin. 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right, now we're going to be going forward and back. And to go forward and back, you're going to go back in that stance, push off that back foot while taking a step with your front, push off that front foot while taking a step with your back to go backwards. All right, so if you like this here, and maintaining that shoulder width stance with your knees slightly bent, your back, your posture straight, and you're tucking in that chin. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. This is very important. 43, 44, 45. You can't neglect the basics. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fundamentals will take you the furthest in boxing. All right, now again, kind of like what we did before, we're going to increase the pace as we're going forward, springing off your toe. All right, let's go. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right, now for the next 100, we're basically going to be switching stance as we're walking forward. And wherever you are, when we get to the end, we're going to do that 180 twist to switch position and then continue walking forward. Because remember, the Peekaboo style is a come forward, aggressive counterpunching style, 50% offense and 50% defense. So what we're going to be doing is coming forward as if we're doing the Dempsey roll, but we're not because we're not there yet. But we're just going to walk forward, switching stance, just like you see here. So you're fall stepping, you're pushing off, and you're walking forward. All right, not going back, just going forward. We're gonna do 100 reps of those. If you need a little break, take a little break. We need to get some water. Get some water. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, before we get to the next 50, the whole purpose of this is to be very quick on your feet and be able to switch from conventional to southpaw, from southpaw to conventional on the drop of a dime to get around your opponent's guard. The whole purpose of the style is a come forward, aggressive counterpunching style that relies on explosiveness. Explosiveness from the punches, the head movement, and at the ultimate, which is at the bottom, is your footwork. That is your first line of defense. All right, let's get back into the next 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, that's 300 reps down. We got 200 reps more to go. All right, now the next 100 is going to be a little bit more difficult. We're going to be doing side-to-side pendulum shuffle. So just like a pendulum is, we're doing that with our body. But to get that momentum, you're going to twist from the trunk as if you're going side to side while slightly dipping forward to break the center line to ensure if the person's coming with a punch, your head is out of the way, okay? So as we're doing this is where we get our momentum, side to side, just like this. All right, we're gonna do 100 of these. This is gonna tire you out very quickly, so get prepared. It's gonna be 50 in this manner, and then the next 50 going around. All right, as if you're going around the guard of your opponent. That'll be the next 50. All right, need a drink of water, get a drink of water. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure your feet don't cross up. 5, 6. Maintain that shoulder width stance. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Try to mimic me as best you can. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. If you need to take a little breather, take a little breather. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, for the next 50, we're gonna do about a 45-degree angle pendulum shift going around your opponent's guard. Now, if you need to take a little quick breather, take a little quick breather. If you need to get a sip of water, get a sip of water. Stretch it out. It's gonna be intense, especially if you're new to this. But this is the road work. Everything comes from the footwork. You can't neglect it, especially if you want to go far with this particular style. One of the most difficult styles to learn. But if you take your time and really drill the fundamentals, you get very far in it. All right. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna shift. And once we get that momentum from the slipping to the left, then we're gonna continuously go around. All right. And we're gonna do this till we get to 50. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 400 reps down and 100 more to go. Do not give up on yourself. If you're new to this, I know this is very difficult, but you gotta get those 10,000 hours in. You gotta do the work. You gotta persevere to get to the next level. For anything you want in your life, you have to be willing to do what others don't want to do, and you have to be persistent. That is key. All right. So what we're gonna do now is shifting, spring loading the foot from conventional to southpaw. So I'm here. You see I'm spring loading while slipping at the same time to the left. Spring loading while shifting to the right. So it's like this here. And the whole purpose of this is that you can quickly get around your opponent to custom auto shift to have an opening to get them out of there. But again, that's a little bit later down the line. When we get to that, that's a little more advanced. But the whole purpose of the shift is to spring load that foot that you shift to, that side that you go to. So it makes it easier to get around to do the damage that you need to do to get them out of there. All right, so again, you're slipping at the same time from the trunk, and you're leaning slightly forward. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. We'll be explosive. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right. For the last 50, we're going to be doing the box step, pretty much putting everything together. We're going to be going 2 steps to the left, 2 steps forward, 2 steps to the right, 2 steps back. All right, maintaining that peekaboo stance. If you like this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, thus creating a box. That's why it's called the box step. All right, we'll be doing 25, going whatever direction that you're comfortable with, and then 25 in the opposite direction. All right, make sure to crunch that torso, tuck that chin in, elbows nice and tight to the body. Try to stay nice and loose. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, switching sides. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34,
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
After we're talking about 500 reps down. Again, for completing this, give yourself a round of applause because it's not easy. But the goal to getting better, you have to be diligent, practice daily, and always be a student to the game. Study Mike Tyson, study Floyd Patterson, study Jose Torres, and of course, the godfather of this, Cus D'Amato. And check out the Peekaboo Boxing Academy channel. They really break it down and they train where Mike Tyson used to originally train at when he was boxing in his heyday. Now, thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. And if you like the video, please comment and subscribe. Look out for session 2 and always work towards becoming your greatest version.